Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS UM425Q. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your screen is cracked, it can be frustrating and inconvenient. This type of damage often occurs due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If you do not address this issue promptly, it can lead to further damage, including display malfunctions or even complete failure of the device. To begin this repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically for the ASUS UM425Q. First, ensure that the device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base, being cautious not to apply too much pressure. As you do this, insert the plastic opening tool to carefully pry the screen free from the adhesive. Be patient, as this can take some time. Once you have managed to detach the screen, you will need to locate the connector that attaches the screen to the motherboard. This is typically found near the bottom edge of the device. Carefully disconnect the cable by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. At this stage, it's vital to handle the components gently to avoid damaging anything nearby. With the old screen removed, take your new screen and align it with the connectors. Press firmly to ensure a secure fit and then lock the connector back in place. Now, it's time to reattach the screen to the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Ensure that the screen is properly aligned before pressing down to secure it in place. Double-check that there are no loose cables or components before you power the device back on. Once everything is secured, power it up and verify that the new screen functions correctly. For prevention, consider using a screen protector to safeguard against future cracks and always store your device in a protective case. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.